Hi students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of exercise 8.6. Look at that question. 8.7, exercise 8.7. Integral sin x by 16 minus 9 cos square x. Integral sin x by, all these are from exercise 8.7 dx, right? Let cos x equal to t, because we have in the denominator cos x derivative minus sin x, dx equal to dt, dx equal to minus dt by sin x. Okay? So, if you substitute sin x upon 16 minus 9t square dx means minus dt by sin x. Cancel. 1 by, take 9 common out. So 16 by 9 minus t square, because variable coefficient is always must be 1. Okay, don't forget that. So minus 1 by 9 I am keeping out. Integral 1 by, this will be 4 by 3 whole square minus t square dt. Looks like integral 1 by a square minus x square dx equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. That is the formula. So if you write that minus 1 by 9, 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Here 3 ones, 3 3's kept, minus 1 by 24 log mod 4 plus 3t upon 4 minus 3t plus c. Take LCM there. Minus 1 by 24 log mod 4 plus 3 t means cos x by 4 minus 3 cos x plus c. Therefore, integral sin x upon 16 minus 9 cos square x dx equal to minus 1 by 24 log mod 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 minus 3 cos x plus c. That is the end of solution, right? That is first one. Let us see the second one. Second question says cosec square x upon 1 minus cosec square x upon 1 minus cot square x. Integral cosec square x upon 1 minus cot square x dx. Let cot x equal to t. Cot x derivative minus cosec square x dx equal to dt. Dx equal to minus dt upon cosec square x. Okay. Now if you substitute cosec square x, otherwise directly you can write cosec square x dx means we can write dt also, minus dt. Minus dt we can write. So here we can write minus dt upon 1 minus t square. That's all. So if you want to remove this minus, if you want to remove that minus, we can write, otherwise keep it outside, minus integral 1 by 1 square minus t square dt. It looks like same formula. So that is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. If you take minus inside, this will be t square minus 1. then formula becomes x square minus a square. That also correct answer, no problem. Log mod 1 plus t means cot x by plus, right? Minus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus cot x by 1 minus cot x plus c integral cosec square x upon equal to minus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus cot x by plus. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.